Welcome back, and in this video I'll be giving you some information on the between statement in SQL. So this is a series of SQL fundamentals, and I have taken videos before this previously on some other SQL fundamental statements. So if you want to take a look at them, you can click on the link that I've provided in the description box. So without any further delay, let's get into it. So what is this between statement? So the between statement is used to match a value against a range of values. So very simple. Let's say you're doing some analysis, let's say on some health records, and you want to specifically do some analysis on patients where their age ranges from the age of 20 to 40. So at that time, you don't need all the records, you only need the records that match this particular range. So at that time, in order to filter out these records, you can use the between statement. So generally the between statement is used with the where statement, okay, the condition. So when you use between, it's nothing but, let's say you want to filter out the patient's records from the age of 20 to 40. So generally we'll be giving values greater than or equal to 20 and values lesser than or equal to 40, where value can assume it's the age. So instead of giving it like this, you can mention value between 20 and 40. So basically the between statement is combined with logical operator and. Let's say you don't want the records between 20 and 40, but you want all the other records, okay? So at that time, instead of giving value lesser than 20 and value greater than 40, you can specify value not between 20 and 40. So you specify the not operator over here. Apart from this logical operator, you can also combine it with a date as well. So let's say this is the date, the particular column. Between, you can do it for a date range as well. So here I want to filter out the records from 2005-07-02 and 2005-08-02. For this particular date range, I want to filter out my records, which is possible. But when you use date, there's one thing that you need to keep in mind is that the dates need to be formatted in ISO 8601 standard format, which is year, month and day. So it's simple. So with this in mind, let us check out some examples. So over here, let me first go list out the payments table. So let me give select star from payment. And let's say I just want to see few records, so limit it to just 5 records. Okay, and now I'm just running this query and I get 5 records. Okay, so this is how the table looks like. So now let's say I want to filter out only the records between the amount of 4 to 6. Okay, so make sure, as I said, it's inclusive, so even 4 and 6 gets included. So I'll give the where statement, where amount, this is the column, and I want to see the amount between 4 and 6. So when I run this query, I get to see all the amounts between 4 and 6, where 4 and 6 is also included. So if you see here, I get the amounts between 4 and 6. Let's say I want to see all the amounts except between the range 4 and 6. As I said, you need to specify the not operator, which says where amount is not between 4 and 6. So when I run this query, you'll see apart from 4 and 6, between that range, all the other values get included. Okay. Another one is, as I mentioned, you can use it with dates as well. So let's say payment date. I want to view the date between 2007-01-01 and the date 2007-02, let's say 15. And now if I run this query, I get the results. So of the dates that match this particular condition. So it's just simple like that, where you use the between operator to filter out ranges. Make sure that you match that ISO standard that I had mentioned, and also mostly you'll be combining it with where statements. So the next time you have to do some analysis on a particular date range, then make sure, I think I'll bet you'd be able to do it with this new statement that you have learned today. So if you found this video helpful, please do give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel, and also do share your feedbacks. Thank you.